All right, welcome. Let's look at creating a frequency polygon. So we have a frequency table with the US president's ages at inauguration and the frequency. So there were 4 between 41.5, 46.5 years old at inauguration. There were 14 between 51.5 and 56.5, and so on. Okay. So frequency polygon is a bit like a line graph. So basically you have your ages at inauguration. And we're going to put our boundaries. So we have 41.5 to 46.5 to 51.5 to 56.5 to 61.5 to 66.5 and to 71.5. So we have our boundaries over our different classes. All right, and we're gonna put midpoints on here for each class. All right, so instead of like in a histogram drawing the bars, we're going to draw a dot at the top of the middle of each bar for the frequency. So let's have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So this is 14 right here. All right, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. All right, so let's grab another color. So for in this bar, in the middle of this bar, we have a frequency of 4, so it goes to here, put a dot. And then in the middle of the next bar, it goes to 11. And in the middle of the next bar, it goes to 14. And then it goes to 9. And then it goes to 4 again. And then it goes to 2. Right? So what we're going to do is just connect them with straight lines between the points. Like this, and like this, like this. And this is the frequency polygon. Okay? Now imagine, we don't draw the bars, but basically imagine if we were drawing a histogram. We have the bars, and the dot that we use for the frequency polygon is at the top in the middle of each of the bars. So it's like you're summarizing the histogram but not drawing the bars. So it kind of conveys the same information. Okay, but typically you don't put the bars there. All right. So how do we do this in StatCrunch? You want to copy the table in StatCrunch, which I already did, so you don't watch me, just copy the table. All right, so basically the appropriate graph for this one would be a chart. That works the best way. So you do chart in columns. All right, and we have our frequency. The row labels are the age at inauguration. And we don't want to plot bars, we want to plot connected lines or point with connected lines. Okay, so we're going to hit compute. Oops. Hit the compute button, and then you get the frequency polygon. So you can see that it put the labels in here. So in the middle of each of the labels, it's a dot, and then you connect it with these bars. All right, so here's our hand drawing, and here's the StatCrunch drawing. All right, that's it.